Hey everyone, my name is Ben and welcome on my channel PressTube. Now in this video I'm gonna try and melt lava rocks which are in this box. Now I will show you, these are lava rocks and normally you use them in your gas barbecue. I'm also gonna use them in a gas barbecue, but yeah, it's a little bit hotter than a normal barbecue where you prepare your food on. Now I'm gonna put the lava rocks in this crucible here and then I'm gonna put it in my furnace, in my melting furnace. And I'm gonna crank it up all the way up to high. I never do that because it's not so very good for the furnace, but I think for these lava rocks I will need, the maximum heat that I can get from my furnace, and hopefully they will melt. I did some research and they melt between 1300 and 1400 degrees Celsius, and I'm not sure if my furnace will reach that temperature. And if they melt, I will pour them in my shredder and see what happens. Okay guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Okay guys, welcome back. I hope you liked that video. If you did, please consider to give this a thumbs up. Now, before you leave, I'm gonna give this away. This is solidified lava rock, which went through my shredder. And I will show you this piece in just a moment. Yeah, but first I wanna show you this crucible. It's, I think it's ruined. I can't use it anymore because a lot of those lava rocks stayed in there and they just solidified in the crucible. And yeah, I think this is for the garbage. It's a $100 crucible. So it's part of the game, I think. And now I will show you this part. This is the part that I showed you in the video. It was still red hot in the video, but now it has cooled down. And yeah, it's solidified lava rock, which went through my shredder. And I'm gonna give this away. I'm not sure if anybody wants this, but if you want it, just check the link in the description below. And then you can participate in this giveaway. You can also choose between 25 euros, which is around $30 if you don't want this solidified lava rock. So yeah, just check the link in the description below, and good luck guys with the giveaway. And if you have any other ideas which I should throw in my shredder, just let me know in the comments below and maybe I will make it happen. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye!